a good critical thinking, and that it's essential to be able to take good decisions.
For different type of work, we have a different type of sustainability skills.
I think it's important that we move from, I guess, a 4-year and done model to lifelong learning.
Very really important that the CEOs say again and be in the communication.
The challenge is to try to make people aware of which are the benefits, are committed to making efforts in integrating our business with social needs.
This is an intergenerational matter that we can all help each other to put the green agenda on all the companies, that I think is fundamental for sure.